My leather sofa got faded. It is easy to restore leather color. First thing I need to do is take 180 grit sandpaper and gently sand top layer of the leather. After you're done with sanding, vacuum and then wipe it with dry cloth. After clearing dust, use warm soap water to wipe small particles and let leather completely dry before giving color coat. Leather is completely dry. Now I'm going to do the color. You can use any good color available in market. I bought this one from Amazon. Best way is to color in circle but do not apply multiple coat in one place. Once you give the first coat, then apply the second coat again if needed. Also make sure first color coat is completely dry before doing any second or third color coat. I have done two color coat, but if you like more shining in sofa, then use leather conditioner. If you like video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and give thumbs up. Until the next video, take care.